Shredding machines. Types, applications, and advantages. This video will take an in-depth look at shredding machines. You will learn more about topics such as principle of shredding machines, types of shredding machines, applications, advantages, and standards of shredding machines, and much more. Chapter 1. Understanding the principles of shredding machines. What defines a shredding machine? Anatomy of shredding machines. The architecture and construction of shredding machines comprise several components. Core equipment components. Designing and customizing shredding machines. Cutter geometry aspects. Important shaft geometry. The chosen material for the shaft should demonstrate the following qualities. Electric versus hydraulic drive systems. Electric drives. Hydraulic drives. Hydraulic drive systems are advisable in scenarios involving the functionality of shredding machines. Up next are 3 primary shredding techniques discussed. Shearing materials with shredding machines. Tearing mechanics in shredding machines. Fracturing techniques in shredding machines. Achieving optimal shredding action. Types of materials for shredding. Ductile material. Friable materials. Key considerations for choosing a shredding machine. A variety of factors should be considered when selecting a shredding machine. Material type for shredding. Expected output requirements. Capacity of the shredder. Feed type options. Operational factors. Shredder upkeep and repairs. Frequently asked questions. What are the primary types of shredding machines and their uses? How do electric and hydraulic shredding machines differ? What safety and compliance standards apply to shredding machines? Which industries benefit most from shredding machines? What factors should local businesses consider when choosing a shredding machine? What are the main advantages of using shredding machines? Chapter 2. What are the different types of shredding machines? Cardboard shredder. Paper shredder. Strip cut. Cross-cut shredder. Micro-cut shredder. Key features. Plastic shredder. Hard drive shredder. Tire shredders. Chipper shredder. Metal shredder. Chapter 3. What are the applications, advantages, and standards of shredding machines? Applications of shredding machines. Advantages of shredding machines. Enhanced security. Reduce waste volume. Cut costs. Boost efficiency. Disadvantages of shredding machines. Here are some potential drawbacks of using machine shredders. Safety and compliance standards of shredding machines. Industrial shredders versus consumer shredders. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right shredding machine manufacturers for your needs.